So unfortunately, I have to leave Anguilla today. I only got the opportunity to spend a couple of days here. But before I go, I just wanted to give you some information in case you didn't know, because it was something that I hadn't really thought of. When I came from St. Martin to Anguilla, I took the ferry from Marigot, and it's $30 US one way. There are also other options for transport. There's smaller charter boats, and I've decided to take one of those back because I'm going straight to Princess Juliana Airport in Saint Martin. So that is $75 one way, and it's a speedboat, small boat, and it only takes 12 people. The boat I came on from Marigot was a 67 passenger, kind of reminded me of, like, from the outside, like a tugboat or something. It was very sturdy, very stable, but it does cost more money to return. Now, I am going a further distance. I'm not going back to Marigot. I am going to SXM, so it is a further ride, but I'm also going to be hopefully on a more comfortable boat. Um, I came here on in a storm, and it was rough. And then we couldn't get off the boat because it was raining so hard, and all of the people waiting to leave Anguilla were standing at the glass at the terminal looking at us. They couldn't leave, and we couldn't get in. So yeah, just something to consider if you can afford it. There are a couple more options with regards to passenger boats back and forth, both to Marigot and to Princess Juliana Airport. So I will put a link to the service that I used, because it's a website, and then you can look at which service is best for you or which company based on the time that your flight is leaving. So um, I had a wonderful time, and I will be back to explore more of these gorgeous beaches and talk to more Anguillan people. I've learned so much in 2 days. It's been crazy. Oh, and the last thing is that I have to find something about roosters here, because there's roosters everywhere, and they start talking about 4 a.m. and then they talk all day long. All right. Until my next beach journey, thanks for watching.